we are off to visit what some people say is the cutest small town in Central Florida. We're going to Mount Dora.
I've never been on live television before.
If you've been to Florida, you know that the state is mostly flat. However, this area is uniquely elevated 184 feet above sea level, and that's where it gets the mount part of its name, Mount Dora. We're gonna go see a mountain? On a scale 1 to 10, how stoked are you to visit Mount Dora right now?
Ooh, well, 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10,
Stoked
jeez.
to get some dinner.
Yeah, I mean, we need food.
10 out of 10 is pretty high.
It's a 10 out of 10 to get food.
Oh,
And then I'll be a 10 out of 10 to see Mount Dora.
all right, cool.
Cool, good talk.
Should I move here?
Should I move here?
Well, all we did was drive through and try to find parking, and we've already determined that we should probably just move here. The hills are so awesome. You really don't see terrain like this anywhere else in Florida. The city kind of sits at the base of a hill, and then there's a community that kind of builds up into the hill. It's so cool. And then it is between two lakes. So you can get awesome water views on either side of the downtown. Not to mention there is a old train that will take you from this city to a neighboring city, and the train rides have themes like murder mystery, they have a ghost theme. Pretty sick. We were just cruising around the downtown to check it out. As we were walking around, we got pretty overwhelmed because there was so much cool stuff to look at. So we stopped, did a little research, and we found the Yardery is the place where we want to go and eat. It looks kid friendly and seems to have some delicious food too. Let's check it out. What's the verdict?
Oh, delicious. And puff puff.
Well, you know, after dinner, if I'm with my wife, we're getting ice cream. Mount Dora was pretty cool. We only got a taste because we were only here for a few hours, but snagged some food, got some cool views of the downtown, and of course ended the day with ice cream. We need legitimately a full day or a couple to explore all the sweet shops and fun places and lakes around this city. So Rachel said 10 out of 10. Without even being here, she was onto something. We're gonna have to make a trip to come back and give it a full day of exploration. Make sure to stay tuned for that video. Till then, I'll see you in some more vlogs. Peace.